Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got a super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal Christmas centerpiece. And so what you're going to need some of these crystal teardrop pendants. They're from Efavormart. You're also going to need some of this floral diamond wrap, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need like a little candle holder, and I've got one with a base on it, but you can really use whatever shape you like. You're also going to need a taper candle holder from Dollar Tree, a glass candle holder plate, and I'm going to be using little mini silver ornaments, but you can really use whatever color you'd like. I'm also going to be using some hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful centerpiece, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this crystal Christmas centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. You can really use this any time of year. If you just take the ornaments off of it, you could use it any time of year. Just gorgeous, and look at all that detail in it. Well, let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give my video a thumbs up and share my video with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.